It's a fast group of cars. I don't normally see this many sports cars at one place.
Yeah, considering that this is...
Yeah, what's that car in front of us? Is that a Genesis?
Oh, jeez.
Genesis are my favorite car. I love the transmission.
Yeah, you know, those things have a way of making people's emotions rise, as we're about to with... Hold on, just talk to him real quick. Alright, ready? Yep. Alright, I'll lead. I mean, obviously, you know, my first plan of action is gonna be lose him right here in these corners.
Yeah, make sure you turn for this one. So.
At the beginning of the course, I'm gonna just have to use all of my tires.
Yeah, it's important to be able to warm up really quickly, get straight into things.
Yeah, and, you know, we don't have much traction, but neither does he. So, I mean, shit, I mean, look, we already lost him. It's so much for being a case of gay of this road.
Wow, you really did gap him.
Yeah, let's see. Dude, the other drivers must not be very happy about this. Not being able to pass him up. But I mean, he did ask for this. Jeez, I do not have a lot of grip right now. This is what I get for bringing a budget setup. I think we've officially lost the S2000.
Oh yeah. It's like he's in one of those electric resistive heating elements, you know, that sandwich, the piece of bread. He's toast.
Oh!
After are you running?
Oh shit, you see that? They are quite behind.
Is he coming back? Do you think he just, you know, was surprised at the beginning?
Yeah, see, if there was more straightaways like this, then maybe they'd... Oh, jeez. Oh, whoa, that doesn't sound very healthy, does it?
It would be interesting to see how the S2000 did on the hairpins.
Yeah, too bad no one else is recording. Oh, unless they are. Well, I mean, our audience will see.
Hairpins are easier to commit fully, so if somebody still doesn't use much limit of grip, then it's suspect.
Jeez, look at this. There's not even anybody in the rear view mirror. They're all being held back. I mean, knowing the Z driver, they're probably going to pass him up somehow, if not the straightaway. Yep, there. I see some things in my mirror. Not that I should be looking at it, but I mean, just... Yep. Someone's getting closer. Is it the S2000? Nah. I mean, it could be.
Fun corner.
Dude, that's some serious catfishing if he's doing that.
All the camber changes make this road so dynamic and fun to drive.
Unless he follows my line, I should be able to get a little bit of gap here. Yeah, he's right behind. Damn, oh no, is it? Who is it? This could be the Z, for all I know. This could either be the BMW or the Z right behind me. I can't tell, though.
I'll try to look, but I don't recognize those headlights too well with the car shaking around.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, I can't tell. It's crazy being on a group run like this, even though we can't see the other cars, just knowing that there are this many people racing right now, and you can hear the sound in the canyons.
I'm just wondering why there's only one set of headlights, though. Speaking of which, there's at least 2 or 3 drivers that should be able to keep up at this pace.
Are there 2 or 3 drivers willing to pass?
2 or 3, yeah. I would say 2 or 3. Prelude, BMW, Z, they should all be passing by now.
These high-speed sections are so fucking scary. Just as passengers, an adjustment. Looks like the 350Z and the Camaro.
Okay, I see.
Or Prelude. I'm not sure.
I see. Looks like they managed to pass then. I'm still going to drive it as if it was a practice. I should be able to be creating a gap better than this. Just pretty much limited to these tires.
Do you have any fade?
Have any fade?
With the brakes?
My brakes aren't in perfect condition right now. Neither is my end links. You know, it is getting there.
You're already maximizing a lot of grip.
Yeah, I don't know how long these tires will hold. This section, it's always so sketchy here. Alright. Fuck. It's always sketchy trying to do those track outs at these cliff sides, you know? This guy seems to be doing it fine. I understand I don't have the power output out of these corners, but that's okay. It's something I've just got to deal with. Hairpin.
Being on the group drive is crazy because even though I can't see all the cars, I know there's, 5 cars out here racing, and it's super crazy. And you can hear them reverberating in the mountains.
Yeah, that brake fade. Just gutter, and this is technical area. I'm confident that the S2000 pulled over somewhere, because there's no way that he'd be able to follow this as a non-local. And considering how slow he went at the beginning of the run, he wouldn't be able to do these switchbacks like this. Okay, there you go.
Nice road use. If you lose anybody somewhere, it's going to be here.
These parts are nuts.
Double 90s.
Not quite.
No.
That'll come up soon.
Shit.
So it's going to be a after. This one will be right hairpin. We've got to use the exit good on this one. Okay, not bad. Left. I remember as a
Whoa.
and then the FRS quarter. So just tuck in here. I just carry speed. Oh man, I do not like late braking here. Whatever, that's fine. It's just set up for the right. Alright, double 90s.
Good lines.
And clearly not good enough compared to this. There you go. I'm using the limits of this grip. It's not like it's getting any worse. I just don't think it was going to begin with. The tires are all warmed up now, though. Oh shit. Yeah, I just hate when those leaves are in my driving line. Alright, almost at the home stretch. Just gonna do a little sketchy setup here. Here you go.
Whoa, holy fuck.
Just set up for this left. No, I didn't use much track use. It's just so freaky not knowing what the hazards are. And up here.
Riding passenger is always so nutty. I'm on Mount Farah now.
Oh shit, look at that. Alright, well, I mean, here's the acceleration. We get to see who's behind and everything now. Final stretch. And time. Okay.
Cool, now we can talk about homework and stuff.